defeat the problem at that. Thank you. What are the four things? What are the four things? Number one?
No tough questioning.
No. Number one, aim in life. Number two, acquire the knowledge. Continuously acquire. Number three, hard work. Number four, persistence. Okay, next. What are you doing?
I am doing MD Pharmacology in Jitmas.
Pharmacology. Clinical area. What area you are working?
Non-clinical. Pharmacogenome.
Okay. You do one thing. You just personal medicine. You enter into your personal medicine. Okay? Okay, that's the future. Okay, tell me, what's your question?
Sir, whether the current educational system is sufficient to bring India to the global leader in the science and technology, or what are the changes to be made to India to become like this?
See, I have two comments on that. Number one, our primary education is not doing well. Primary education up to age of 14, the children creativity should be brought out. That means you need a different class of teachers who can bring the creativity of the children. And also we need a classroom. It's a creative classroom. That's number one. Number two, medical. See, ICMR chief is here. ICMR chief is there. Medical syllabus, if you see, MBBS syllabus I read. But human body consists of, human system consists of two components. A psychology package, a physiology package, right? You agree? Every human being consists of psychology package and physiological part. But you read only physiology. In MBBS, in MD, you don't read as though human body is a mechanical. It's a mechanical thing. Actually, human body is not a mechanical thing. It has got a combination. That means our syllabus, our medical syllabus, research syllabus, and undergraduate syllabus has to change largely. Okay? I am sorry, sir, in your presence I am telling this.
Dr. Amar Chaudhary from D.Y. Patil Medical College.
Good afternoon, sir.
Why ladies, girls are sitting idle? No questions? Yeah.
Okay, sir, before I ask my question, I would like to tell you that...
Where are you?
Sir, yes.
Where are you from? which place you are working?
Sir, I am doing my MD in Pharmacology. MD in Pharmacology. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Pune.
What, medical college, Pune?
Yes. So before I ask my question, I would like to tell you that my sister has wanted me to tell this. She's a big fan of yours and she wants you to know that she shares her birthday with you and she's wanted me to tell you this. She won't let me come back if I don't tell you.
Okay. Question.
Yes, sir, question. My question is regarding bridge the gap between rural India and urban India. It's like day by day the gulf is enlarging. And what is an individual, what should be?
Very good. First and foremost, the MBBS doctor should go to rural area to practice. But anyway, there we have got a primary health center, about 200,000 primary health centers. None of them are the doctors, only nurse is managing that. So nowadays I suggested, nurse should go for PhD, medicine. No, really, in Singapore they are doing, nurses go for a PhD, almost certain syllabus, then there should be a chief village medical officer, something like that we should make, so that MBBS people will be in the urban area. Okay. Now, answer to your question, we have launched a program called PURA, Providing Urban Amenities Rural Area. That is 600,000 villages have been clustered as 7,000 puras. Each pura will be about 20 to 30 villages, population 50,000 to 100,000 people. And there will be a physical connectivity, there will be electronic connectivity, there will be a knowledge connectivity, so that the economic connectivity will come. Okay? The economic connectivity will come, definitely the difference with the rural and urban area, the difference will start reducing. Now, Government of India has launched in 9 states the PURA. Okay.
Let's hope it happens.
Okay, friends.
Now, Ms. Kanchan from MSc Applied Nutrition, National Institute of Nutrition.
Good afternoon, sir. My question is,
What area you are doing research?
sir, I am a MSc second year student in Applied Nutrition here at NIS.
Okay, very good.
So, sir, my question is, we all know that the Millennium Development Goal target year is nearing. What I would like to know is, what is your suggestion in eradicating the, in maintaining the first goal, that is eradication of poverty-related death through the modern technologies such as remote sensing or nanotechnology?
See, I have a big feeling that the India 2020 vision calls for removal of the poverty. If you remove the poverty, naturally health improvement also should take place. Now, we have everything, okay? India has got money. India has got 540 million people. India has got 11 biodiversity. India has got everything to do, but something is missing. What is that? Tell me. Guess.
Coordination.
Anybody would like to guess? Will you repeat with me, all of you? Answer to this girl. Will you repeat with me? All of you. Confidence. Confidence. I can do it. Repeat with me. I can do it.
I will do it.
We can do it.
We can do it.
India will do it.
India will do it.
That's what is needed.